We were so happy to have discovered this hidden gem and bonus super lapit lang sa amin. This is Sam and Jean and these are our favorites from their menu. First is their nueva, paluted chicharon that they fry to order so you can still hear it popping and crackling when they serve it. We love their pinaputok na liempo sisig rolls. Super crunchy niya and when you dip it in the sauce, it's a hit of umami and the sisig flavor. Next is their 3 kinds pork barbecue. So you get tender kasim, fatty pork belly, and fall apart lomo meat in one stick. Patitikman mo yung iba't ibang texture ng pork na masarap isawsaw sa vinegar nila. This is their palabok sa taba ng talangka. They use rich crab fat in the sauce which coats all of the noodles. Plus, look at the size of those shrimps. Their modern take on pinakbet uses etag, which is sun-dried cured meat from the Cordillera region, with a light and creamy squash puree. Okay, so I don't usually eat balot, but they made it delicious by making it into a pot pie. Super creamy and the aroma hits the minute you open the crust. Please give their affordable modern Filipino food a try at 8th Avenue, Cubao, Quezon City.